It's inevitable. Your beautifully painted walls are going to be put to the test against kids, pets, and everyday wear and tear. If you've painted with a product like Regal Select Interior, you've already got built-in defense against scuffs, spills, and stains. And its durable finish washes clean without any loss of sheen or color integrity. Here's how to clean scuffs and stains from any latex painted wall. First, you'll need to gather these supplies. Next, determine the sheen of paint on your wall. Flat and matte finishes deserve a gentler approach compared to eggshell and higher. Place towels or rags along the floors and baseboards to catch any excess water or dirt. Gently rub easier stains and scuffs using warm water and a non-abrasive sponge. If water alone isn't effective, try a mixture of warm water and mild dish detergent, rubbing gently in a circular motion to avoid damaging the paint. Use warm, clean water to rinse the cleaning solution as you go. For tougher stains, you may want to use an all-purpose cleaner that's ammonia-based or derived from plants. Be sure to finish the job by drying off excess moisture with a soft, absorbent cloth.